amazing food.
You're welcome.
Cheers, yeah.
I've got a stomach ache. Gotta go to the toilet.
Oh, are you okay? What's wrong?
I have to go.
Hey, are you okay?
Alright, so I've got to get a new bidet. Let's look at what they have on Panasonic. Oh, this one looks pretty cool. Toilet seat soft closing. It's the ideal bathroom solution. Oh, crystal antibacterial, cleaning nozzle, controlling knob, and a water filter. Oh, okay. Add to cart, and I'm gonna check this out.
Honey, can you install the EzyClean bidet in all our toilets?
Yeah, of course. The installation was super easy. I got you.